Laptop docking stations are going to become your new best friend if you're sick of juggling cords, adapters, and a disorganized workspace. These adaptable hubs allow you to connect numerous displays, external storage, keyboards, headsets, and more at once, turning a single USB-C or Thunderbolt connection into a fully functional workstation. There is a docking station for any requirement, whether you're a professional multitasker, a content creator, or just someone looking for a more organized and effective setup. These docks offer high-speed data transfer, Ethernet connectivity, quick charging, and support for 2 or 3 4K monitors. Today we're dissecting the top 7 docking stations that increase output, streamline your workplace, and enable smarter, not harder work. Number 7. UD22 Dell Docking Station. The UD22 Dell Docking Station is intended for users who wish to operate more efficiently and cleanly without having to continually juggle cords. Its global interoperability is what immediately sets it apart. This dock is compatible with nearly all USB-C laptops, regardless of the operating system, Windows, Mac OS, Chrome OS, or even Ubuntu. Therefore, it blends in seamlessly when working in a shared space or switching between devices. Display support is one of its main advantages. If you enjoy spreading out your apps, editing across multiple screens, or just increasing productivity, DisplayLink drivers allow you to connect up to 4 4K monitors at 60 Hz. DisplayPort, HDMI, several USB-C and USB-A connections with PowerShare, and even a dependable Ethernet connector for steady networking make up an outstanding port mix. In essence, it allows you to connect external disks, headsets, keyboards, and monitors. The supplied 130-watt power converter and high-quality connections make setup uncomplicated, and it even comes with a microfiber cloth to keep everything clean. On the plus, it's powerful, adaptable, and filled with ports, making it great for creators, professionals, and multitaskers. Before utilizing it, though, you should confirm that your laptop is compatible with USB-C or Thunderbolt, just like with any global dock. For complete compatibility, customers may occasionally need to upgrade their firmware, which might be a minor annoyance. All things considered, it's a robust, feature-rich docking station that makes setup easier and ensures smooth operation. Number 6. MOKiN 13-in-1 Docking Station. If you want to transform your laptop into a complete workstation, the MOKiN 13-in-1 Docking Station is a powerful tool. Dual HDMI displays, several USB-C and USB-A ports, gigabit Ethernet, and even a 2.26-inch LCD screen that displays the status of all connections are all included in its all-in-one design. Large files such as 20 gigabytes in just 20 seconds can be moved quickly and smoothly thanks to the dock's compatibility for ultra-fast data transmission of up to 10 gigabits per second. Professionals who depend on quick, dependable connections or multitaskers will find it ideal. Its dual display compatibility for Windows PCs, which enables you to expand your desktop to 2 4K monitors for a professional-grade setup, is one of its most notable features. However, in extension mode, Mac users will also be able to expand to a single monitor. Additionally, the dock's powerful power output, up to 160 watts across its USB-C and USB-A ports, allows you to charge several devices simultaneously without impeding your productivity. Your desk is kept organized by the small vertical design with a magnetic base, and the integrated LED display is not only fashionable, but also makes it simple to keep an eye on your connections. For delicate configurations, the screen lock button provides an extra degree of protection. On the other hand, some people might find Mac OS's restrictions on dual monitors and lack of support for Linux to be a deal breaker. Sometimes, firmware updates are required for complete compatibility. All things considered, the MOKiN Docking Station is a multi-purpose, powerful hub that streamlines connectivity, boosts productivity, and maintains your workspace tidy, all in a stylish aluminum compact. Number 5. HP USB-C G5 Docking Station. The HP USB-C G5 Docking Station is intended for anyone who wants to increase productivity while streamlining their workspace. It is surprisingly portable at just under 24 ounces, and its small size, just under 5 inches square and less than 2 inches tall, makes it ideal for cramped desks or packed office situations. It is incredibly powerful in terms of connectivity despite its diminutive size. With its DisplayPort and HDMI connectors, this dock allows you to easily expand your desktop for professional work, multitasking, and video editing. Along with an audio jack and gigabit Ethernet, it is a combination of USB-A and USB-C connections, including a high-speed and super-speed USB 3.0 port. This guarantees that you may connect everything without the need for adapters, including headsets, wired internet, external disks, and keyboards. With a 100-watt output that keeps your laptop and accessories charged while you work, power delivery is managed effectively. You can rely on it to work flawlessly with your device because it is compatible with a variety of HP laptops, including EliteBooks, ProBooks, and mobile thin clients. The dock's interoperability with other brands may be a drawback because it is designed specifically for HP devices. Although the port selection is extensive, it might not support every peripheral's complete feature set, and extremely demanding installations might occasionally call for extra adapters. All things considered, the HP G5 docking station is a stylish, dependable, and potent option for professionals who desire a clutter-free desk, quick networking, and multiple monitor support, all wrapped in a small and sophisticated design. Number 4. ABIWAZY 14-in-1 USB-C docking station. The ABIWAZY 14-in-1 USB-C docking station is a multi-purpose hub that can transform a single Thunderbolt or USB-C connection into a complete workstation. It satisfies almost all connectivity requirements with 14 ports crammed into a small package. Dual 4K HDMI outputs, VGA, several USB-A and USB-C ports, gigabit Ethernet, SD and microSD card slots, and a 3.5mm audio mic jack are all included. This makes it perfect for anyone who wishes to connect peripherals, external discs, and several monitors simultaneously without having to search for adapters. Support for twin and triple displays on Windows laptops is one of its most notable features. It is significantly easier to multitask when your desktop is extended across 2 or 3 displays. A single HDMI can support up to 4K at 60 Hz, a second HDMI can handle up to 4K at 30 Hz, and VGA can run 1080p for additional displays. Dual or triple display modes are only available on mirrored screens, therefore Mac users should be aware of this. Additionally, the dock allows for quick charging with a maximum power output of 100 watts, which keeps your laptop and gadgets charged while you work. Additionally, data transfers are quick. SD card transfers may reach 104 megabytes per second, while USB 3.0 and USB-C interfaces can reach 5 gigabytes per second. While the audio connector allows tethered headsets for private listening, the gigabit Ethernet connection guarantees steady, fast internet, preventing Wi-Fi delays. The USB-C port's inability to accommodate more than one HDD or SSD at a time and Mac OS's restrictions on multi-display configurations can be a small annoyance. Therefore, the ABIWAZY docking station offers remarkable speed, connectivity, and versatility, making it a good option for Windows users wishing to effectively expand their workplace. Number 3. Baseus Spacemate 11-in-1 docking station. For professionals and multitaskers, the Baseus Spacemate 11-in-1 docking station turns your laptop into a fully functional workspace. With dual HDMI and 2 DisplayPort outputs, USB-C and several USB-A connections, with 10 gigabit transfer speeds, gigabit Ethernet and 3.5mm audio socket, and a 100-watt USB-C power delivery port, it's small but powerful. It supports nearly every accessory you may require, including wired networking, audio devices, external discs, and displays, all of which are housed in a stylish aluminum casing. The ability to stretch your desktop across 3 4K displays for smooth multitasking and a professional workflow is a notable feature for Windows users. However, it's important to remember that Mac users are only able to use one expanded display. Its USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports can transfer 20 gigabytes of data in roughly 20 seconds, making file management easy and effective. The integrated LED panel displays each port's connection status, and the vertical design with a magnetic base conserves desk space. For delicate configurations, a screen lock button provides an additional degree of protection. Although a 100-watt adapter is advised for maximum load, the 100-watt PD port guarantees that your laptop stays powered even when operating multiple devices. The dock's lack of a charger and Mac users' inability to fully utilize triple displays are drawbacks. Nevertheless, the Baseus Spacemate docking station is a high-speed multi-purpose hub for Windows users that makes connecting easier, boosts productivity, and keeps your workspace tidy. Number 2. Anker 8-in-1 laptop docking station. A single USB-C port may be expanded into a complete workstation with the Anker 8-in-1 laptop docking station, a multi-purpose hub. It is small, simple to operate, and loaded with ports that are necessary for contemporary computers. An Ethernet port for reliable wired internet, 2 USB-A data ports, a USB-C PD charging port, 2 HDMI outputs for connecting 2 displays, and SD, microSD card slots are all included. Because of this, it's perfect for professionals, content producers, and anybody else who desires a tidy, orderly workspace without having to manage several adapters. With a dual HDMI arrangement, 2 displays can be used at 4K 30 Hz apiece, and 1 monitor can operate in clear 4K at 60 Hz. This is ideal for mirroring presentations or multitasking. One little drawback for Mac OS users is that both external monitors will replicate the same material. Although a 100-watt charger and a USB-C to C connection are required for optimal performance, the USB-C power delivery port allows high-speed pass-through charging up to 85 watts, keeping your laptop fueled while using peripherals. It is compatible with MacBooks, Outlook, Windows 10, 11, and Chrome OS devices and supports USB-C, USB 4, and Thunderbolt connections. However, Linux users can encounter problems. Convenience, speed, and dependable connectivity are all combined in a small package with the Anker docking station. It is an effective all-in-one option for anyone wishing to increase the capabilities of their laptop without cluttering their desk, despite the fact that it lacks a charger and has mirror display limitations on Mac OS. Number 1. Plugable USB 3.0 and USB-C Universal Docking Station. The purpose of the Plugable USB 3.0 and USB-C Universal Docking Station is to increase the connection of your laptop without cluttering it. It has 2 HDMI outputs, a gigabit Ethernet connector, a 3.5mm audio jack, and 6 USB ports, 2 USB 3.0 and 4 USB 2.0, despite its small size. It even includes USB-C and USB 3.0 connectors so you can connect practically any laptop. It offers a smooth way to connect several peripherals and monitors at once, but it doesn't power your laptop. Even though your device typically only supports one output, such on M1, M2, or M3 Macs, the twin HDMI ports are an exceptional feature that lets you run 2 displays at once. In addition to conventional 1080p for seamless daily productivity, resolutions up to 1920 by 1200 are offered. For web work, office duties, or general multitasking, this makes it perfect. While Windows and Chrome OS devices are primarily plug-and-play, Mac users must install the DisplayLink driver in order for their displays to function. Users in that ecosystem should be aware that Linux is not supported. On the positive, this dock is dependable, simple to assemble, and covered by a 2-year guarantee with lifetime assistance from a team located in North America. The lack of laptop charging, DisplayPort compatibility, and HDC playback for copy-protected content are among the drawbacks. All things considered, the Plugable docking station is a useful, adaptable, and affordable way to increase productivity and easily expand the workspace on your laptop. These were the best laptop docking stations that may drastically change the way you work. These docks provide speed, ease, and variety to your setup, whether you're a professional managing several monitors, a creator managing large files, or just someone who prefers a tidy workstation. There's a dock for every need, from powerful USB-C charging and dependable Ethernet connections to multi-display support and fast data transfer. Don't hesitate to choose the one that best suits your setup if you want to increase productivity and streamline your workspace. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and enable notifications if you find this tutorial useful so you don't miss our most recent tech advice.